Hi there, students. To debilitate. Debilitate. This is a verb meaning to make someone or something physically weak. Yeah? To drain the energy or power from something. So, when you have a virus, it debilitates your body. It makes you weaker. It makes you less able to actually fight the virus. It makes you more feeble. Okay, so that's to debilitate. To impair the strength of. The economy was debilitated by years of civil war. His body was debilitated by the disease. Yeah, it was weakened, it was undermined, it was sapped, it was made more feeble. Okay, so to debilitate. Yeah, to sap the strength or energy of something. Maybe, yes, you could have an adjective, debilitating. Yeah, this is a debilitating disease. Chemotherapy debilitates the body. It leaves the body debilitated. Yeah, so to weaken. Fear threatened to debilitate me. Yeah, I was frightened, so I was much less able to think. Yeah, you can have a noun, a debility. Despite his debility due to illness, he was able to lead a normal life. So yeah, a debility as the noun as well. Okay, so to debilitate, to make weaker. Yes, the government became debilitated by the scandal. Our economy has been debilitated by this COVID epidemic. Yeah, he's been working far too hard and sleeping much too little, and his body and nervous system are becoming debilitated. Yeah. So make weak. You could even say maybe he has, I have a debility for chocolate. I have a weakness for chocolate. It weakens my resistance. Okay, so to debilitate, to make less strong. We are debilitating our environment's ability to bounce back and do its wonders. Yeah, I think pollution debilitates an ecosystem. Yeah, it saps its strength, it undermines its ability to do something. His body had been debilitated by arthritis, but he still did everything he could. A virus debilitates the body's immune system. Yeah, an athlete's ability to perform can be debilitated by injury, for example. Okay, so to debilitate. Maybe piracy debilitates the film industry's ability to produce expensive films. I think not. I think they still make a lot of money. So yeah, debilitated by an injury, debilitated by some factor, made weaker, made less strong. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Debilitate.